Hello mga Paps, good morning sa inyo. Meron ako ditong naisakay na isang Japanese. He said he's the first time to the Philippines and unfortunately, he had a very bad experience yesterday because his wallet or card got stolen. So he asked me a favor if I can take him to the airport. His flight is around 11:15 in the morning. So, I just want to help. Anata namay di siya?
Hi.
Kai.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So I'm going to take him to the airport because wala ho siyang kapera-pera. Parang anong nangyari dito na-swindling ito Mukha na dinggoy. So, kawawa naman. I feel sorry for you, Kai, what happened to you. So, just being a good person, a Filipino that very helpful, I'm going to take you to the airport for free.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome, sir. So, I have so many friends from Japan. That's why I can relate. You know, I'm very much concerned to a Japanese national that came to the Philippines for a vacation.
Uh,
Yeah, so don't worry. Just relax, and I hope you can still get your flight this morning at 11:30. So Terminal 2, is it Terminal 2 or Terminal 1?
Terminal 2,
Where are you going?
Cebu,
Cebu,
Philippine Airlines.
Philippine Airlines. So when you get to Cebu, what will you do in Cebu?
To the beach.
To the beach, but how can you spend a few days there without money? Where are you going to? Where did you expect that you will have money to arrive in the Philippines, or somebody will send you money from Japan? Because still you want to go to Cebu, right?
Yeah.
And unfortunately, you don't have money. You don't have ATM. So how can you stay in the hotel, or how can you buy food? And from the airport, how can you know ride a cab or whatever transport over there? You don't have money.
But my friend just stayed there.
Okay. So your friend will come to pick you up to the airport, and he will. Okay, I understand. Yeah,
So the airport is hard to reach.
yeah. Going to the airport now.
Yeah.
So maybe a lot of driver will not take you to the airport without paying money. So hope this is your learn experience in the Philippines. For the first time you lose
Yeah.
whatever you lose is, I feel sorry about it. So can you just say thank you very much, Kai? This is Noel, being a tourist cab in Manila, and cab driver, and also I'm also a content creator. Guys, para sa isang turista na first time dito sa Pilipinas, tulungan natin to. Huwag nyo naman samantalahin na siraan or take opportunity na kuhanin nyo kanilang pera or whatever. Kasi kawawa Tayo ba naman kung pupunta tayo sa Japan at ganun ang gagawin natin sa atin, nila? Anong mararamdaman natin? So, please be kind to our tourists because more Japanese tourists coming to the Philippines, it's helped our economy. It means business. If many tourists from Japan or from the other country, it means give a lot of opportunity for the Filipino, give more business for anybody else in the tourist transport and hotel resorts. So they give a lot of incomes to the Philippines. So don't take opportunity for the tourists like a Japanese or whatever nationality that comes to the Philippines. Help them instead of getting their money and everything. So look at this guy. Kai is a very young guy that only wants to see our country, but unfortunately, he lost her ATM and the money.
Yeah.
So what can I say? I just want to help this guy. He's a very young guy. How old are you? Imanansa di siya?
25.
25. So young. And I know he is working hard just to come to the Philippines. So please,
You,
me, watashi wa 57 di siya.
57.
Yes,
Oh.
yes. I'm old. I have watashi Nihon Tomodachi Pai, Roppongi, Ibaraki, Tokyo, Fukushima, Igpai Tomodachi. I have so many friends that come to the Philippines. And in fact, one of my very, very long time friends, Sataki, uh, he's always sending me some gifts, chocolates like that, and a little bit money. But he's a very good friend of me, Sataki Nabayaso, and his boss, Makino.
Uh,
Yeah, yeah. That's why I speak a little bit Japanese.
oh,
Yeah. So hope you enjoy while your friend waiting there in Cebu. And if you remember my cab and my YouTube channel, say to your friend, I just go to the airport with Filipino cab driver, blogger, and content creator. That's me, Cab Oragon TV.
uh,
So, say maraming salamat po. Thank you very much. Domo arigato.
Tama.
Salamat. Yeah, yeah. So, welcome and I hope you how many days still in the Philippines?
Philippines, 1 week.
1 week,
But Manila is only 1 day.
1 day.
Now, try to settle.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So, I hope you will enjoy and you have to be very careful. Take care always so that I hope you can still come back to the Philippines.
Yeah.
Okay? And just what can I say is I'm sorry, it's happened to you. Yeah, so what I want is just to help you without any return from anything from you because I know you don't have money right now. So I'll take you there. Don't worry. And Pops, mga Kaguragon, this is not the first time I take passenger for free. I do it many times. Not only for the money, but sometimes for food. Some of my, fellow Filipino, I do it also. So I know this is not about my content, but it's just for helping. So if you like my content for today, I would like to ask a little bit. You can follow, subscribe, and like my Facebook and YouTube channel, Palero Noel Monser and Kag Uragon TV. That's a simple asking a little bit favor to subscribe and follow my Facebook and YouTube channel. So, thank you so much with my new friends Kai from Tokyo. I hope he will be okay and he can remember me if you go back to Manila or to Tokyo. Tell that there's a one guy, a cab driver that helped me to go to the airport for free because you don't have money. It's just happened that there's a little bit problem with your
Yeah.
money. So thank you so much. Until next, this is Noel. Thank you so much and bye bye. Kai from Tokyo.
Yeah.
Bye bye.